Good morning. So, me and Hailey, she doesn't like cameras, that's okay.
You almost tripped on that twig.
You're a twig. We went geocaching, we found one. Bam! It's in Morden. It's our first one yet.
Nice.
We failed like 2 other
It's our
ones.
second one.
What? Oh yeah, we found 2. Found 2! That's good. Yeah. Basically this is what I'm gonna do all day. I don't know. It's Sunday, it's a lazy day. We're at the, where are we at?
Research center.
Research center. Some pretty trees. Not in her face, jump over her. Jumped over her. Make that grass sound.
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't laugh. Just like, oh my lens is dirty. 1 minute. Don't throw it. Don't kick it. Bad person. Geocaching society hates you now. Do it again.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
So she's making a grass sound. I don't know.
Grass sound. That's what grass sounds like.
That's what grass sounds like, she says.
That's how grass communicates.
Grass communicates that way, by that noise. Okay, I can't film where I'm putting it, so I'll put you guys over here, looking at the lake over there, or the pond area. I'll be right back. Don't steal it. What are you doing?
Isn't it facing the wrong way?
No, I'm not showing them where it goes. That'd be cheating.
Oh, I get it.
It's okay. So, any trolls? No trolls. Under a bridge. Okay. What? Shoot. Why are we shooting people?
Where are we going?
What's that? Why is there a sign on the tree?
No.
Oh my goodness, it's almost dead again. Okay, this is gonna be a short video. Bye.
Bye.
That's nice of you. Bye. Be safe, have fun today, and go geocaching. Okay, bye. Oh, she's following. Goodbye.